What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Upside DIY. So, some cool stuff that I'm working on. I've got or staging actually is I found another reset tool. I found this nice piece of mineral. I think it's glass. I'm not sure. I should try to scrape it. It's a little heavy. It's a little dense. Uh, Sometimes if you had like a screw and things or a scraper, you kind of test the hardness of it. And and I found another one of these nice rocks that I like to collect for gravel for the aquarium. So yeah, I got to do a repair job. I also found a really good useful tool for my for plugging in these wires. I have a LED mirror. So most of these LED, I bought a pack of, and this has a nice switch, so I don't have to keep pressing the button. Bought a pack of 6 for like $9, so it's really useful for looking behind TVs and plugging in wires. You need the lighted ones because the ones without a light, you can't really see, so you really need an LED light. So while I'm here, I guess I'll just show off some of my dental supplies. It's not completely unpacked, but I'm just sorting them out right here. You guys, last time you saw my Amazon orders, you didn't see this mirror, which was around $30 tops. It's got LED lights, lighted magnifying mirror, and it's 15x. So this will be good for just some stuff for myself. I haven't tried it yet. I doubt that I ever will try it, but who knows? If there's an easy way to fix if there's just an emergency. So $30. This drill right here is around 160. It's a right angle and a straight drill. I can use it for a lot of stuff, but I just kind of save it up for dental stuff. So inside of this, there's just some random stuff, some placeholders, but the drill itself, comes in its own package and stuff like that, and it's really small. It's really not that big. It's like as big as a toothbrush, but yeah, this is the right angle one. This is the one you want, and then there's a straight. So pretty good, and some random other stuff that comes with it. $160. The drill itself, it's hard to find. I mean, they have an air one. The real dental ones are run by air, but this is electric. The thing is, it's pretty much trying to invest in something, basically, and there's just a nice electric motor and things. So I guess so that's around. And then these were, they sold so many of them. I had to get these, and there's a tan and there's a lighter color, so you can really see the difference. So these are around $40 to $50. I bought some spacers. These are a new kind. They sell other, like, these help keep the teeth open and not close on your fingers or anything, but these have a nice slot in them and things. Hopefully these were pretty affordable, around $10 and stuff. So I bought a lot of other stuff. Conical screws were a little expensive. They were $40 for titanium. They have gold plated. I bought some other drill bits that didn't really fit, and but they're 3 millimeters, but they just had so many with the package. I think I got 2 of each, and these are really micro drills, so mainly for like beading and things like that. and PCVs and things. So yeah, it's just pretty much and another pack of conical stainless steel and titanium. The titaniums are more expensive. They have the stainless steels are cheaper, but they're just really small screws that go into some that screws into like bone and things like that. And these are the right size drill bits for the drill. So these are pretty much the right size, and I could keep these within this package because it kind of goes together nicely. And then so yeah, it's around $400 worth of stuff, but some stuff you get a good deal because you can use them for so many things. It makes things a lot easier to have stuff like this around. And then underneath here I have like the pliers to pull out or extracting teeth. And there's not really much else, but finding other products like ceramic or more, kind of, I want to try to get something to help me, find out where are missing teeth, and then kind of like make an epoxy or mold and things, fast epoxies and stuff. There are a few other ideas for repairing teeth and things that I'm trying to focus on and stuff, and then trying to get stuff done. But yeah, you never know when you've got some extra time, and then you could pretty much have something useful to to get done, and then it's a value to it. It's $400 invested, but it's pretty much it goes for a lot more for DIY stuff. So I'm gonna this case has a mirror in it, and I kind of like it with this, but it's just so clunky. I wish I could think of something else that might need a mirror, but for now it's just gonna just fit in this bag. So other random stuff is I do have some old PCs. These are actually external drives, and extra keyboards. Some are wireless, extra mice. So I could really test out, once I get a system hooked up. I have two computer systems, but they're just mainly for testing old hardware and old devices, old monitors and old printers. But I basically have two XP laptops, and then I have two XP PCs. I could test CDs and stuff, so I'm planning to do something like that eventually. But there's there's no real like need for XP stuff, but just testing a lot of the old wires and things in 2000, it's around 2014-ish, like 8 to 10 years ago. But you never know if if there's something like these cameras are real old, but they all still work. I think I have 3 of them right here. People just throw this stuff out, but then there's just stuff to test, and then and even old cell phones with cameras and stuff, they're not really useful, but if I don't have anything else better to do, I'll just take them apart, maybe clean them up, and then keep them as convenient as possible, or as clean as possible, and just stored away and kept. But some stuff with the old batteries and all that stuff makes it just unuseful. But I'll try to figure out something Yeah, so there's just a lot of random, you know, just things to just store. I have some memory cards too. These are pretty really nice. These micro SDs are the mini go into laptops, and then there's just you know, just some stuff that goes into like here's a mini. This could go into a tablet, but it's only 1 GB, and these are micros. These newer ones are like 64, 32 gigabytes and things. And what I recommend is put this into a cell phone, and it's gonna save a lot of system memory. So these videos that I'm recording, actually, I put them onto a memory card, so it saves my phone all types of cleaning and things like that. And I could you know, really uh, recommend using a micro SD, I guess. And these go into your cell phones, and sometimes you know, they sell like 4 or 5 of them for pretty cheap. Just depends on what deals you look for, but I recommend getting at least 64 gigabytes. That's around 10 videos, and then you could just upload them to the cloud and then delete them, and then just it just manages a lot of stuff on electronic devices, on smartphones. Between the video, you know, videos and things, it's just mainly phone storage. Like this 1 GB, this used to be like $80 and things, like 20 years ago, and then now it's just practically like $2, and you know, just spare adapter. So other stuff to do is these are actually for dental, you know, for spacing the mouth, but spacing teeth, keeping them, but safety goggles and a safety glove. You really need this stuff to help you clean. These are a few other tools and things that I used to help me clean quite a lot of stuff. The scraper really, this really helps scrape off paint on buckets to keep them nice. These safety goggles, if you're using like paint thinner or any type of cleaner, and it could splash inside of your eye and it could burn it and stuff. So wear safety goggles, wear safety gloves, because you know, bacteria and stuff just from dirty stuff. So I wash all this stuff. Uh, it you know, it could give you a bad rash, and I basically had to use, you know, some hand sanitizers for a whole day on itchy spots and stuff. You know, some stuff in the wild, like in sand and just stuff, could just really bite. There might be little, you know, critters that might bite you and stuff. But wear safety gloves, and so I'm just trying to clean this and getting this ready to sift out for extra polishing material. So I'm gonna be cleaning this up for my skateboard, but I wanted to show you, or for, it's actually for some plastic melting. I'm going to boil, you know, some stuff in water and see if I can mold it. That's right, I'm gonna boil pieces of plastic and irrigation line in some water and try to mold it to stuff. But I'm just gonna show you guys this real quick. Is just my Miracle-Gro planter water system. It's just you know, just a pitcher, and I just add some Miracle-Gro. So I could just add some of this stuff, and hopefully give plants, or you know, and the soil some pretty much plant food. So I just add water and then mix it up and then fill up the bottles. So I got this to help me fill up this. I also changed this around, so I put that kind of like sorting situation over there, and it still leaves me a nice space. And I'm going to reorganize and sort out this stuff, just stuff. that I might find and have to sort out. So thanks for watching my YouTube video. See you on the next Upside DIY. And I can put these into the dental kit. Bye.